What's inside federalism? Federalism has two levels of government: the national government and the state government. The national government shares power with the state government. Laws and taxes are shared between the national and the state government. Also, there will be 18 states in the Philippines: Ilocos Region, Cordillera Administrative Region, Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, National Capital Region, Calabarzon, Mimaropa, Bicol Region, Western Visayas, Central Visayas, Eastern Visayas, Negros Island Region, Northern Mindanao, Caraga, Davao Region, Soc-Sargent, Zamboanga Peninsula, Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao. Every state will have a regional Supreme Court, regional trial court, and a region appellate court. Taxes will be distributed 20% to the national government and 80% to the state government. Exclusive powers of the national government: defense and security in the land, water and air, international trade, monetary policy, banks and currency, infrastructure and telecommunications, postal service, promotion and protection of human rights, education, science and technology, justice, law and order, elections. State government focuses on their justice system, culture, language development, infrastructure and public works. Leaders of every state will be a governor and the deputy governor elected as a team. In presidential elections, president and vice president should also be elected as a team. Both will serve 4 terms with 1 re-election. For more details about federalism in the Philippines, check out the link below.